Who is this famous explorer? 1.
He was an Italian explorer, but it was the Spanish king who paid for his voyages. He wanted to sail west from Europe, not east like other explorers. He sailed 4 times across the Atlantic Ocean. During his first voyage in 1492, he landed in what we now call America.
2.
He was born in Iceland. His father, Eric the Red, was also an explorer. He was the first European to discover North America many years before Christopher Columbus.
3.
He was an American astronaut who became the first person to walk on the moon. He was the commander of Apollo 11, which landed on the moon on the 20th of July 1969. He and his co-pilot, Buzz Aldrin, spent 2.5 hours walking on the surface.
4.
He was a mountaineer from New Zealand. On the 29th of May 1953, he and Sherpa Tenzing were the first people to climb to the summit of Mount Everest. Some years later, he went overland to the South and North Poles, and so became the first person to reach the poles and Everest.
Travel announcements. 1.
The 11:55 for Newcastle stopping at Peterborough, York and Darlington is now ready to board on platform 10. There is a buffet car on this train. Please check that you have all your luggage with you.
2.
This is the number 22 for Piccadilly Circus. Next stop, Green Park. Stand back from the doors, please.
3.
Flight BA 1536 to New York is now ready for boarding at gate 58. All passengers in rows 12 to 20, please board first. Passengers are reminded to keep their hand luggage with them at all times.
A poem. Why did you leave?
When did you leave?
I left at 4 in the morning,
When did you leave?
when the house was asleep.
Where have you gone?
To a huge, crowded city.
Where have you gone?
To a place where no one knows me.
What did you take?
Some money, not my mobile phone.
What did you take?
Not much, just memories.
How did you travel?
By taxi, by plane.
How did you travel?
I travelled alone. I have always travelled alone.
Why did you leave?
Because I wanted to see the world.
Why did you leave?
Because nobody listened. No one has ever listened to me.
Why don't they listen?
I don't know. I have never known.
Why don't they listen?
Because I have very little to say.
When are you coming home?
When I have become somebody. Do not wait.